In today's video, we'll see the instrumentation and working technique of hand-operated capsule filling machine. So here is a bed having holes. In this bed, we use nearly 300 ports in which capsule will be filled. Here is the loading tray. In the loading tray, we usually keep the filled capsule shell or empty capsule shell. As the name suggests, this loading tray will load the contents into the bed having the holes. So a final product or final capsule will be filled in the bed holes. So these are the loading tray and bed having holes. Now we'll see the powder tray. As the name suggests, it will spread the powder within the holes. Okay, whenever cap and body will be separated, this will help. This is the pin plate which is attached with the bed having holes. The port size is as equal to the port size of the bed holes. So the pin plate will get attached or get adjusted with the bed having the holes. Okay. So we can easily understand that pin plate play a vital role. The next one is sealing plates. So it is a rubber plate which will ultimately help in the adjustment of the cap and body. And here is the lever. The function of the lever is just keeping the capsule upward and keeping the body and cap separated. Okay, and the last part is cam handle. So we usually separate our capsule or the cap from the body by using this cam handle. We'll see this one by one. So these are the overall part of our hard gelatin capsule filling machine. So now we'll discuss one by one. First of all, our empty capsule shell is being filled in the loading tray. You can see here these are the empty capsule shell. The yellow part is the cap and the below part is the body. Then we have capped here. These are the empty capsule shell. No powder is here. We have capped here and cam handle has been adjusted as we can see. So here the cam handle which has been adjusted. After that the cap is getting separated. The loading tray is getting upward. Cap has been separated from the body as we can see, and after that we'll see that uh, the body has also come upward. These are the body and the loading tray has been separated with the cap. Then we have again adjusted the cam handle to reposition the body. Then the powder tray has been kept. As we know, the function of the powder tray is helping the powder to get spread. We know capsule usually contain hard gelatin capsule usually contain powder or granules or pellets. So the powder tray helps in the loading of the capsule body. So we have loaded the ingredients into our body. Then powder tray has been detached from the bed holes. Then we adjusted the pin plate into the bed holes. Okay. So what is the main function? This helps in the compression or adjustment of the powder into the capsule. Okay, the capsule body. Then we have again take upward the pin plate and our product has been in that location. Then we use the lever for holding the body upward. So why we keep this upward? For the adjustment with the cap. Okay, here the cap has get attached, and after the cap has get attached we use the sealing bed. Okay, the sealing bed which is composed of rubber plate we just compressed here, and our final filled capsule has been prepared. So these are the overall technique for capsule filling. Hope that you have easily understood. If you have any confusion, please inform me in the comment section. Thank you.